I sent a single text message to a random Telegram bot, and it instantly updated my private Notion database with exactly how much money I had left to spend this month. You know the struggle. You download a budgeting app, hand over your bank login, and promise yourself you'll check it daily. But then the budgeting app stops syncing, and it categorizes your late-night Uber Eats as transportation. Looking at that dashboard just creates anxiety, so you ignore it. You end up swiping your card, crossing your fingers, and hoping the balance doesn't hit zero. You're trapped in a cycle of blind spending because tracking your money manually requires too much effort. We are going to fix this by building an automated financial hub using Telegram, Notion, and a workflow tool called N8N. To build this system today, you only need 4 things: free accounts for Notion, a Telegram bot, an N8N account, and an AI API key. Research shows that the higher the friction in a system, the less likely people are to stick with it. By turning expense tracking into a simple text, you are removing the primary barrier to maintaining a personal budget long-term. Step 1 is setting up where your data will live. Open a private Notion workspace and create a blank table database. We need to define exactly 4 columns for this table. Set them up as an item for the title, an amount as a number, a category selection, and a date. Now, here is where most people get stuck. You have to manually navigate into this specific Notion page's settings and explicitly grant your N8N integration access to read and write to it. A perfect database structure doesn't do you any good if the automation engine is locked out. Next, we need a daily input method that requires zero thought. That's why we're using Telegram. Inside Telegram, search for the bot father and follow its prompts to generate a brand new custom bot just for you. The bot father will give you an HTTP API token. This is the unique identifier that acts as a secure bridge, allowing outside systems to talk to your new bot. Keep this token entirely to yourself. Anyone who has this string of text can control your bot, so never post it publicly. With that token secured, your bot is officially ready to act as a private receiver for your daily spending habits. Now we connect the 2 ends. We're using N8N as the logic engine sitting between Telegram and Notion. Inside N8N, create a Telegram trigger node and paste that secure API token you just got from BotFather. This flowchart shows our core architecture. The Telegram node passes your texts into a central AI agent node. This AI acts as our translator, reading your natural, messy human language. In the AI node's system prompt, you'll give it specific instructions. Read the text message, extract the item name, pull the exact cost, and assign it to one of your specific budget categories. To make this work, you must instruct the AI to output clean JSON data rather than conversational text. This strips away the fluff and gives your database exact values it can read. Finally, you map those clean outputs into the Notion action node at the end of your workflow, ensuring they align perfectly with the columns we built earlier. The AI instantly converts your casual texts into structured financial data, completely automatically. Let's test the final build. Open Telegram and text your bot something like, "Spent $5 on coffee." Hit send. The N8N workflow triggers in the background, and your Notion database populates with the exact item, amount, category, and date. By offloading the categorization logic to the AI backend, tracking your expenses becomes as simple as sending a text message. The friction is gone. Because texting is already an ingrained daily habit, this system removes the biggest hurdle to staying consistent with your finances. Plus, you get absolute customization. Standard apps force you into their predefined boxes. Building this yourself means you define the spending categories exactly how your brain works. You also maintain total data control. You aren't handing over your banking passwords to third-party apps that sell your spending habits to advertisers. Your data stays entirely in your private workspace. Hit the subscribe button right now to master the AI tools that actually save you time and money. Now that your money is fully tracked and automated, you can apply these exact same principles to your workload. Find out how next week when we break down the AI tools every college student needs to drastically cut down the hours they spend studying.